Hello, good day, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. I am now dropping this beautiful jewel of a diamond to you guys, which is a job for this company called Insight Global. And this job role will be an IT support. And the experience and skills you'll need for it is IP networking, network protocols, and IT support, and desktop support and Active Directory. And the job is a full-time job and it's remote. And the qualifications is IT support for 1 year required, Active Directory 1 year required, IP networking 1 year required, and Microsoft Outlook is 1 year required. And the benefits for this job is a 401k plan, 401k matching, dental insurance, health insurance, and vision insurance. Now, the full job description is here. It said, thank you for applying for this role. All candidates must be fully vaccinated against COVID-19 and able to work under a W-2 as a U.S. citizen or green card holder in order to work remotely for this extending contract role. This role has an extremely quick one-round virtual interview process and can have an offer extended within 24 hours of interviewing. Have a nice day. Must-haves: 1 year as a desktop support technician, strong hardware software support for desktop, laptop, and mobile devices, having Microsoft Outlook troubleshooting experience, Excel, Outlook, Word, experiencing troubleshoot Mac products, and general knowledge of IP connectivity and network protocols, Active Directory, etc. Excellent customer service ability to interact with clients. Day to day, what you'll be doing for this job as an IT support, an employer is looking for a desktop support technician for an enterprise healthcare organization in New York City. This individual will be joining a team of 4 other technicians who are responsible for supporting the corporate users. This comprises, of approximately 4,000 users. You will work alongside the other technicians in providing dedicated support to all desktop issues for this group. The team receives approximately 30 to 40 tickets a day, and this person should expect to resolve around 10 tickets a day. Issues involve both software and hardware problems for desktops, laptops, and mobile devices. This person needs to have excellent client interfacing experience. They will be supporting some executive level employees and will be working independently for the most part. Now, the pay for this job as an IT support with Insight Global will be $21.50 per hour, all the way up to $24.50 per hour. And this shift is an 8-hour shift for the scheduling for this IT support job role, and it's a day shift Monday to Friday. Ability to commute and relocate to New York City, New York 10016, and reliably commute or planning to relocate before starting work required. Application questions: are you able to work under a W-2 as a U.S. citizen or green card holder? Are you vaccinated against COVID-19? Now, the hiring insights for this job, the application responses rate is 52%. They're hiring for 10 candidates or more for this role as an IT support specialist for this company, Insight Global. Now, they just posted this job today. If it seems like something that you would like to do, or you know someone who would like to get into this career or in this type of job role, you can go ahead and share, and everything, and just share it with someone who might be able to get into it if you're not interested. But this is a very great job, you guys. If you're wanting to move to New York, or you plan on relocating to New York anytime soon, or if you're a New York City resident or a New York resident of the state, then you can apply for this job. Now, the next job I have is an entry-level language data analyst. It's from Volga Partners. The company is called Volga Partners. It's a remote position for $15 to $17 per hour. Full-time positions are available, part-time available. Part-time position is available as well as the contract. Now, for the experience and skills, you will have to maybe have it preferred as having an associate's degree or an analyst skills as well. Missing qualifications. These are the qualifications that you may need for this job. Okay, so the benefits is a 401k and dental insurance, health insurance, on-the-job training. So this is the full job description. Do you find data interesting? When you're browsing the internet, do you have ideas about how to make a certain website better? Are you creative and analytical? If you answer yes to these questions, this could be the perfect job for you. Volga Partners is currently hiring candidates for a Web Universal Human Relevance System Data Analysis position. Analyst position. The job is Web Universal Human Relevance System UHRS data analyst position, entry-level position with on-the-job training. So this is an entry-level position, of course, you guys. It's an entry-level language data analyst position. Job role is this: entry-level language data analyst, and it's with the company Volga Partners. Now, for a full-time position, must be able to work between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And let me read up here again. Well, up here in this area, I missed all of this right here. Entry-level position with on-the-job training. Currently hiring for a full-time position. For a part-time position, must be able to work a minimum between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday through Friday, 4 hours a day. Must be flexible with training hours for the first few weeks. Now I'm going to read some of the responsibilities and some of the key skills that you might need for this job. So work on the different kinds of tools, including UHRS. Understand, monitor, review, track, analyze, and evaluate data generated by your language team on the UHRS platform. Respond and react to changing priorities quickly and efficiently. Be highly organized with attention to detail and a commitment to quality. Understand data and relationship between data sets and be able to identify and explain recommendations for improvement. Communicate insights and provide solutions. Take batches of data to label and manipulate according to the project requirements. Work closely with other teammates on multiple projects to present data quality metrics and identify new attributes. Own the quality of all data and work on proactively identifying issues. Some of these key skills, I will read them out to you guys. Be a team player, ability to adapt, strong verbal and visual communication skills to present and explain insights, excellent attention to detail and accuracy. This role requires decision-making skills when it comes to the evaluation of data and the performance of others on the UHRS platform. And we went through the qualifications and their experience. Well, we went through the experience. Now, the qualifications is assistant degree, a certificate in IT, marketing, statistics, communications, research, computer science, or similar fields, preferred but not required. Excellent computer skills, especially typing and writing. Experience in quality management preferred. Experience in the UHRS platform is a plus. And a work authorization must have valid work authorization to work in the United States. Background checks are mandatory for this position. Currently, we are only hiring candidates residing in the following states. So it's outside. These are all the jobs, all the states that they're requiring to hire candidates from. They're residing in these areas and states: Arizona, California. Well, states: California, Florida, Hawaii, Idaho, Illinois, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, New Mexico. Not New Mexico. Excuse me. Cross that out. Not New Mexico. New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, Nevada, Ohio, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Texas, Utah, Virginia, Wisconsin, and Washington. Please read the requirements thoroughly before applying. Must have own device, laptop device. Currently hiring for a full-time position. For a part-time position, must be available to work a minimum between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday through Friday, 4 days a week. And experience with the UHRS platform is a plus. If you do not have experience with UHR, as we highly recommend doing some research prior to an interview. It must be flexible with hours. For this position, we are seeking candidates with the flexibility to work between 80 to 160 hours a month. Ideally, candidates are available to work at least 4 to 8 hours a day Pacific Standard Time Zone, but varies depending on the projects. Now, the scheduling is 8-hour shift, Monday through Friday. It's a remote position ongoing. Need to fill this role. And it got posted today, you guys. These are the 2 jobs that I have for you guys today. Those opportunities are knocking at your door. Open those positive doors, you guys. Let it go. Let it go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let go of all the fears and anxiety. Just go ahead and apply for these jobs because they are here for you guys. They are here for you. If you like my content, like and subscribe and comment down below and share this content with someone who you may know who wants to be able to get into these jobs. It's an entry-level job. It starts at $15 to $17 per hour. And that's it for you for this video, you guys. Have a great day, you Diamond Crew. Thank you guys for watching.